I'm Jenny Cocanougher, and I'm Area Extension Director for the areas C3, C4. Well, my first experiences with Extension was when I was growing up, and maybe a little bit different than some of our other colleagues. I grew up in Western Pennsylvania, and got involved in 4-H through a horse and pony club. And through that, I got to know an extension agent and observed some of what she did and thought that was really interesting. Then I ended up, when I went to college, ended up coming to the University of Kentucky. And through college work, then I became more involved and more interested in extension work. What I'm most excited about is that I'm able to get more involved in the county level and getting to know each of the counties in my area and how I can fit in and help them to be the best they can. The important thing about Extension is that there is something for every facet of the community. And the thing that I hope I can bring to those communities is helping them identify those resources that we have in Extension and connect them for whatever the need may be.